This is a test of the GOPR0 camera. There is no internal viewfinder, so it's recording blindly. Some test footage. I want to see the lighting. Might be able to use this. These are the miniatures I've got currently on my paint table, all the way from stuff I'm working on over there, some ones that I have finished painting. Not sure how it's going to capture this. There's one that I finished. There's another one. The 3 trolls. This one is also finished. Looks like I'm going to have to do that base again. It's got scuffed up. The rest are things that I'm working on. Down here I've got some new Warzone Mutant Chronicle figures I've gotten. Oh, dropping stuff all over the place. Happens every time. Alright, let's see. And this is this close to the camera. About 4 inches. It's about 8. About 12. What I don't like about some of these is that they're leaning too forward. Looks like they're about to fall over instead of rushing. I'm going to have to do something with the bases to change that. See how that works out. And they're just things in the background. I've got this sitting on a stand right now. So let me see. I move it handheld. There's some stuff back there. I've got some horses that I need to work on for some mounted. Got some whiz kids. Wizards back here. These are the ready to paint. I want to see how they actually work. Since I don't have to prime them, I'm just going to paint them. I started on one, the quick wash, but the rest of them, see how they actually take paint. And back there I've got some War Machine men of the troops. I believe they're incinerators. I've got a little terrain piece, a little hanging bell type, scatter terrain really. Other small things that I'm working on here and there. Got this War Cry miniature. The extra parts, I bought this box set. It was already made, but I had out the box set, so I actually had some extra pieces. I took a toy tiger, of course, cut its head off, and then mounted the other alternate head on this one. Did some green stuff around the collar. Added some change. Now I just got to sculpt some armor on the front legs and make a second version of the model. Forget its name right now. I've also got a temporary base on here. Need to buy me another base. And then just other things, some minis I've gotten, little toy sets. I believe it's based on a video game, Badlands. Can't remember the name of it. But yeah, this is it. Toy pieces for that. This is the whole set of the Warzone Mutant Chronicles sets. I've got 4 of these exactly the same, 4 of these that are exactly the same. So I'm going to leave 2 of them just the way they are. The other 6 I'm going to kit bash, change them off so they're not looking the same. Now these all mutants seem to be each one individual, different, so I don't have to do nothing with this set. I just don't like them all being exactly the same. Throws me off. I'm going to be using these mainly for my Arizona Alpha games, maybe even some of the other skirmish sci-fi games I come across. I want to try. And that's my cluttered up workspace, as you can see, stuff everywhere. But this is really just a test for me to see how this camera works visually, since I can't see. There is no lens here to see out of it, and I don't have the code for it to link it to the phone, as this was bought secondhand, so I can't connect it to the GoPro app. So right now what I'm doing is just shooting blindly, hoping I can use it just for at least maybe just miniature showcasing. Oh, here's another one I finished. This is one of the miniatures from the Hate game. Those miniatures are awesome. I use this as one of a Beastman champion of some kind, or even just a beast face giant, mutated giant. And that's it for now. I'll upload this and test it and see how things work.